The National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test for Undergraduates, NEET UG, was conducted on May 5th with over 24 lakh candidates participating. The entrance exam is conducted for students who wish to pursue undergraduate medical MBBS, dental BDS, and related courses in approved, recognized medical dental colleges in India. The results were initially scheduled for June 14th, but were unexpectedly released 10 days early on June 4th, coinciding with the announcement of the 2024 Lok Sabha election results. But it ran into hot water soon afterwards. What's the entire controversy? Why are students protesting? Why are educators up in arms? This is Quick Take, your quick guide. I'm Smita Prakash. How it all started. Reports suggest that the NEET UG papers got leaked in Bihar before the scheduled examination date.
खुलेआम है कि घोटाले हुए थे। पटना हाई कोर्ट में दलीलें दी गई थी। पटना पुलिस ने 9 लोगों को पकड़ा था। बहुत सारे प्रूफ थे। सीधा ही रीनीट करवाना चाहिए था, इस पेपर कैंसिल करना चाहिए था, रिजल्ट रद्द करना चाहिए था।
Although the National Testing Agency NTA, the agency responsible for conducting the exams, initially dismissed these claims, later investigations led to the arrest of 13 individuals, including candidates and their family members.
पेपर लीक की हमारे पास कोई जानकारी नहीं है। मैंने उस रीट पिटीशन को अनुध्यान कराया, कोई भी एक भी जगह पे प्रमाण नहीं है। एक एलिगेशन पेपर लीक हुआ है, कहां है प्रमाण हुआ है?
How the controversy snowballed. The controversy began when discrepancies were noted in the published results. Several candidates and their families reported irregularities in their scores. It was also revealed that 67 students scored a perfect 720 marks, while some students received mathematically impossible scores of 718 and 719. 6 of the students with a perfect score were from the same examination center in Haryana, raising further questions about the integrity of the results. The Supreme Court responds. The Supreme Court of India has issued a notice to the centre and the NTA on a petition seeking the cancellation of the NEET UG results. The top court noted that the sanctity of the medical entrance examination has been affected. However, the apex court did not put a stay on the counselling process for undergraduate medical admissions. The NTA's decision to award grace marks to around 1,600 students was also challenged.
NTA ने ये चीज़ पूरी तरह से एग्री की कि जो ग्रेस नंबर 1563 स्टूडेंट्स को दिए थे वो पूरी तरह से उन्होंने एग्री किया कि बच्चों के अंदर डिससेटिस्फैक्शन लेके आया और कहीं ना कहीं ये गलत था। तो काफ़ी लंबे समय से हम लोग ये लड़ाई लड़ रहे थे कि पहली बार ग्रेस नंबर क्यों ले आए, पहले क्यों नहीं आए। तो उन्होंने खुद एग्री कर लिया कि ग्रेस नंबर का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं चलेगा। अब उनका ये प्रपोजल था कि इन 1563 स्टूडेंट्स को हम ऑप्शन देते हैं दूसरी बार एग्ज़ाम देने का, प्रॉबेबली 23 जून को। अब या तो ये री एग्ज़ाम दें ये बच्चे, या इनका चॉइस है री एग्ज़ाम ना दें और जिनके ओरिजिनल नंबर थे वो इनके रह जाएंगे, ग्रेस वाले नहीं रहेंगे।
The opposition reacts. Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav and Sanjay Singh have criticized the government over the NEET exam controversy. MK Stalin too reiterated his party's stance, highlighting the disadvantages of the national level medical entrance examination. The future of lakhs hangs in balance. NEET replaced various medical entrance exams conducted by states and individual colleges. It's typically taken by students after completing their higher secondary education or the 12th grade and is considered one of the most competitive exams in India. NEET was introduced in India in 2013 to standardize the entrance examination process for medical and dental courses across the country. It ran into legal hurdles, was suspended and then reintroduced in 2016. Lakhs of students appear for the NEET UG every year. As the controversy unfolds yet again with legal tangles, students hope that the NTA ensure a fair resolution.